Hi guys, welcome to week 3 lectures. In this first lecture we are going to see about dictionaries. So what is a dictionary? Dictionary is nothing but a key value pair. That is, the dictionary is going to be represented by a series of values which is separated by colon. That is the key colon the value. So empty dictionary is represented by curly braces, open bracket and followed by closed bracket, and the keys within a dictionary should have the unique value, and the values may be it need not be unique. Here there are two examples given over here. In the first dictionary, that is dictionary 1, I have series of values, that is the name is the key and name of the person Zara is the value, and age is the key and 7 is the value, and class is the key and first is the value of the class. The second example, dictionary 2, the key 1 is the key and the value of the 1 key is Abhinay, and the second key is 2, the value is Shiva, and third key is 3 and the value is Karan. So dictionary is just like a data structure which is used to maintain like key value pairs. For example, if you look at your real-time dictionary, you will have words as well as the meanings. So in the same manner, we are going to maintain like key is referred as a word and value is referred as a meaning of the word. So we will look at some more examples, then it will become clear. How do you access the values in the dictionary? So here the example given over here is, there is a dictionary, the same dictionary whatever you have seen in the previous slide. Zara, that is the age 7 and first class. So how do you print the values from the dictionary? So you just give the print statement, dictionary of the key. So that will give you the value that is available, the corresponding key. So here I am printing the dictionary of name. So that will print the value of the name. So in the second printf statement, I am going to print the age. So dictionary of age. So that will print the value of the age. So my output will be Zara and then 7. Next we will see about how to update the values in the dictionary. So we will take the same example. So this is my default dictionary, name, age and you have class. So here I am going to update the age as 8. So dictionary of age equal to 8 I am going to assign here. So this age 7 will be automatically overwritten by 8. So in the next line, dictionary of school equal to DPS school. So here you don't have any key called school. Here I am adding a new entry into the dictionary called school, and for that key I am assigning a value called DPS school. Now I have updated one entry and I have added a new entry. Now I am going to print the values of age and school. Let's see what's the output you are getting. So this is my output, dictionary of age equal to 8, that is my, I am getting the updated value. And the next one, dictionary of school, DPS school. So that is the new entry that I have added recently. So next you see how to delete some items from the dictionary. So this is my same dictionary. Now how do you delete a particular entry from the dictionary? So you just use the keyword called del, del, then dictionary of the key, dictionary of name. So that will remove the entry with the corresponding key called name. So after I am doing this operation, del dictionary of name, when I try to access the key, when I try to print the name, it will give you an error. So in the next line, dictionary.clear. So what it will do is it just removes all the entries in the dictionary and it will keep the empty dictionary. So when you try to print any elements from the dictionary, then it will give you an error. Next statement, just I am giving you like del dictionary. So what it does is it just removes all the element and it also deletes the dictionary also. So when I try to print some of the items from the dictionary, like print dictionary of age, what it will do, it automatically gives you an error, because the dictionary whatever you have created, that is already deleted with the help of del statement. So there are main two properties of the dictionary keys. The first one is more than one entry per key not allowed. That is, you have a key called name, you cannot assign two values to the name. The second property is the keys are immutable. That is, you cannot change the values of the keys. So these are the two main properties of the dictionary keys. So we'll see one by one. So we'll come back to the first one, that is more than one entry per key not allowed. Here in the example given below, I am assigning a value Zara to the key name, then I am assigning 7 to the age. Then you look at the third entry, again the same key is repeated, that is name equal to money. So what happens is, when you use the same key again in the dictionary, the recently written value will be retained. The old value of the key will be automatically erased. So in the next line, when you look at this print statement, print dictionary of name, so automatically your output will be money, because the old value of the name Zara will be overwritten by the new value of the name called money. So this is one of the main property. The next property is the keys are immutable. It must be immutable because you cannot use list in your dictionary as the keys. Of course, you can use strings, numbers, tuples, everything as the key. So in the example given here, dictionary which is equal to name Zara age 7. Here look at this carefully. The name is given within a list, that is within the square bracket. So whenever I give some within the square bracket, then automatically it becomes the list. So here the name is considered as the list. So when I try to print the value with the help of the key called name, then automatically it gives you an error, because the dictionary is not going to be created, because the name here is considered as the list because it is enclosed within the square bracket. So the lists are mutable, so it is not allowed inside the dictionaries. So the keys should be immutable things like strings, numbers, tuples. Here the list is a mutable one, so it is not allowed as the key inside the dictionary. So automatically it gives you an error. Then how do you use this dictionary keys and values inside some for loops, or how do you access these keys and values from the dictionary? So this is a simple example which shows you how do you access the keys and values from the dictionary. So here I have a dictionary which is having the roll number 1, 2, 3, that is the keys, and then I have the names Abhinay, Shiva and Karan. So here I am trying to print the roll numbers alone, that is with the help of key. So I will write the code like this: for k in dictionary, this is my dictionary, then colon, that is the standard syntax of the for loop. Then I give the print statement, print k. So here this variable k automatically refers to the keys whenever I specify this dictionary. So when I try to print k, your output will be 1, 2, 3. But when you look at the next for loop, for k, v in dictionary dot items, colon. Here I am going to print two values, that is print A comma B. When I refer to this dictionary dot items, then automatically it retrieves both keys as well as the values. So when I try to print K and B, it automatically prints the key as well as the values. So your output will be the roll number 1 Abhinay, then roll number 2 Shiva, then roll number 3 Karan. So this is about the accessing the values and keys inside the for loop. So that's all about in this lecture. You will see some more things in the next lectures. Thank you.